Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ate, makeup artist and YouTuber based in Warri, State, Nigeria. If you're stopping by for the first time, please do not make it your last. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. It is free. It costs you nothing to subscribe and to like this video right now, okay? Basically because this is a plain tissue paper, a white tissue paper. Is there any stain? There is no stain, no stain. If you want to know why there is no stain, then watch this video to the end. For skin prep, I just applied my usual vitamin C and my face serum, and this is just to moisturize my recent go-to. I love the fact that it's also very hydrating. Primer, it is best to apply on your T-zone. These are your T-zone, yeah, your nose, your cheek. You can see the difference between where I apply the primer, classic mattifying primer. For foundation, I'll be going in with this V Beauty foundation. It's a Nigerian brand foundation and it is quite affordable. It's around 6,500 naira. And then this is the L'Oreal True Match foundation. I'll be mixing both foundation. I'm going to mix it with this L'Oreal True Match in N8 Cappuccino.
I keep on missing your touch, missing your vibe. This feeling I go when I sit what we had. Won't you come on over? Don't you miss me too? Give it all you got, babe. Give it all you got, baby.
Secure concealer. Let me
give it all you got, baby. Give me all you got.
For my blush, I'll be going in with this Mino Beauty. It's also a Nigerian brand and it's affordable. Okay, I'll just put a little amount of that at the back of my hand, and then I'm going to just a little. And then I'm going in with this setting spray, setting mist from Omari Code. It's a Nigerian brand. Omari Code. Now you allow this to dry a bit before going to blend.
I'm really on fire tonight. Can't nobody hold me down. I'm doing whatever now. Ain't got no time to fight. I'm talking way too loud. And if you don't like the sound, you could just tune it out. Who you rooting for? They say whatever team that'll win. I say cool, cause it's gonna be whichever one I'm in. Yeah, I'm good like that. Yeah, I'm good like that. Who you rooting for? They say whatever team that'll win. I say cool, cause it's gonna be whichever one I'm in. Yeah, I'm good like that. Yeah, I'm good like that. Telling you that I might never go to sleep, stay up all night, doing just what I like. No more hoping, no, I'm right like this. I don't lie like this. I'm on fire like this. Yeah. Him and her, and they I'm over there. They looking over here, they giving me a stare like I could. No. Who you rooting for? They say whatever team that'll win. I say cool, cause it's gonna be whichever one I'm in. Yeah, I'm good like that. Yeah, I'm good like that. Floating on my wave, I don't care what you say, cause really either way, I'ma do it like that. I'ma do it like that. I'ma do it.
If you don't have a blush palette, you can use an eyeshadow as your blush palette. If you are confused of where to apply your blush, just smile. I always love blush. Orange color is always very beautiful for dark skin. Eyeshadow primer. I'm going to do two different things on my eyes. If you can afford an eyeshadow primer, then that is fine.
She want me to show her some things, but right now I'm focused on me doing me. Gotta watch step on the tightrope. I never fall off, this light work. Know it's people trying to see me down real bad. Same ones trying to meet me where I'm at now. Same ones trying to figure how I got here. I've been serving my pop, bitch, shaking my sauce, been writing these songs. 40 and key drop, tell me when to.
And so for this part, I use an eyeshadow primer, and for this other part, I use a concealer. The concealer. This Morphe contour powder as my crease transition color. This is a Nigerian brown eyeshadow palette.
She want more than a flame. Want me to give her that moonlight. Everything not what it seems. Real one from the
Using a Zaran, another Nigerian brand, and makeup. Instead they draw zero. I might just show you shortcuts to draw your zero very well. In case you know some use gel liner and brush to draw your zero. What is zero? Zero is eyeliner lining inside your eyes using a kajal or something dark. So let's just go in. I'll place it inside my eye and I'm going to what? Drag it out. Well done. The reason I love this process for myself is because it darkens both my waterliner and my inner eyes. Okay.
You only one of me. There's a million of those who won't let us be, but they're not gonna see me bleed. Cause baby, I got you. I've been beaten to the ground, dragged across the dirt. I've been scared to live.
Smaller hairs, and I'm done. With this, I may decide to not even wear lashes at all. Hair wax. I'm just going to take a little of this hair wax to apply on my brows. In my brows all day. If you can buy a brow trimmer, fine, but if you can't get a brow trimmer, you can use your hair wax. I'm just setting that with a powder. The Davis eye pencil to sharpen the tip of the pencil to be this tiny. Okay, yes.
They can try, but they can never take me down. Cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. They always bring all the lonely, but with you here, nothing can scare me. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I will tell them what I'm feeling forevermore. I don't care about the feelings, not anymore. So let's show them that love is pure, no matter who it's for. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's a dancing underneath the disco light. They can try, but they can never take me down. Cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. They always.
So guys, I'm going to use my contour shade of powder as my lipstick. Yes, you can actually use powder on your lip or you can use your eyeshadow on your lip. Okay, so I'm using this shade as a lip liner. The reason because I noticed that if I apply lip gloss By the time I'm coming back home, in fact, within 2 hours, the lip gloss is off. So I like to use something matte. Eyeshadow that I use on my eyes.
State of mind, eyes blind, and it is getting dangerous. I don't wanna fight the feeling inside, 'cause your words are so contagious. I don't wanna be distracted, no, I'm having a reaction. Oh, I give it to you, give into your state of mind. You don't wanna be distracted, no, you're having a reaction. Oh, I can feel the truth, I can feel you burning up. 'Cause tonight we lose it all, we let go. It's something in the way you move that makes me do things I've never done. Yeah, tonight we lose it all, I'm broken. And even if the sky would fall and flames are getting closer, ooh, oh, 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 oh. My skin's on fire, oh, 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 oh. I'm flying, oh, 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 oh. My skin's on fire, oh, 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 oh. Lights keep dancing by, painting the sky and adding to our chemistry. Heart beats aligned, right in time.
This is my favorite baby here. This is C with C. This is another Nigerian brand.
Oh, oh, my skin's on fire. Oh, 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 oh. On fire. Oh, 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 oh. My skin's on fire. Oh, 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 oh,
Hey loves, we have come to the end of today's makeup tutorial for use your inner conscience. Say like this video, subscribe to my channel. I love you. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, be happy, smile often, and bye guys.